Okay, I have picked those elderberries. This is going to be part 2, and I just want to show you how I clean them and before you begin to can them. So I have a bucket full here, and I have a mixture of dry elderberries as well as the fresh elderberries, which is fine. And that white stuff that you see on them, that's like their protection of the berry. You just it'll be okay. Don't freak out on them, on the white stuff. So okay, so what I did was, so you get this comb. This is really easy because you don't want to burst the berries. You see how the water is already turning like a red color, and I'll show you in a minute what they look like. And so once they're, I wash them out a couple times. I put ice in there because our water right now is pretty warm. That's coming out of the faucet. So I'm going to wash them a couple times. I'm going to take all the stems out, and then you basically wash them. You rinse them, and not wash them, but you rinse them. Make sure that they're thoroughly rinsed, and then yeah, and then you process them. But this is what they're going to look. I have a good amount of berries. I just can't believe I found these elderberries. I put this thing here so that it wouldn't, there you go, so it wouldn't flop all over the place. So, okay, so basically what I do is, I can't really show you, but I could kind of give you an idea. What you do is you comb them out because, and my friend taught me this. She taught me how to do it, and she was really kind to let me know how the best way to, so I think I could do it. Well, I have to use 2 hands, but you basically, the comb is gonna, let's see if I can do this with 1 hand. Boy, I'd be really talented if I could do it with 1 hand, right? But it's not working. But you get the gist. Okay, you comb them through, and then they'll fall off. You gently comb them through, very carefully comb them through, and they will fall off. I've been doing them by hand, and I left a lot of stems behind, and and then that's what you do. You just kind of comb them, make sure your comb is clean, and that's about it. And then you just rinse them out. And then after you rinse them, you process them. You do your elderberry jam, your elderberry syrup, and your elderberry whatever you want to do, jelly. I'm thinking I'll probably be doing either an elderberry jelly or a jam. Alrighty then. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, if I have anything else to tell you about the beautiful elderberries that you can find close to a river, then I'll let you know. Alrighty, talk to you soon. Happy canning, because that's what I'll be doing.